everyone, my name is Jo, and in this video I'm going to take you through the classic 6-beat footwork, the leads version. So in swing dancing we typically switch between 6-beat and 8-beat when you get to a sort of, an intermediate kind of level with your classes. And that's because certain moves will suit different footwork patterns, and it's a really great skill to be able to mix them up. In this class I'm just going to be focusing on the 6-beat footwork. Leads version, I'll do it with my back to you so you can copy along at home. As a lead, the important things to remember are I always start on my right foot, and you want to make your footwork nice and clean and clear. So follow along with me. So standing with your weight in your right foot, we start with a rock step, which looks like this. Rock step. It's literally step backwards, step forwards. The next thing we're going to add is a triple step, which looks like this. Triple step. So there's 3 parts to the triple step. 3 and 4. And that will take you to the other foot from where you started. So we put those 2 things together. Rock, step, triple step. So now we're on the opposite foot to where we started, and I'm going to add 1 more triple step to round out our 6-count footwork. Triple step. So the whole thing together without stopping looks like this. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. And you'll notice we're now back where we started on that right foot. With counts, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. So the best way to get good at any of these footwork patterns is to just do a bunch of them. A little bit of practice every day can be super helpful, and then once you've got this footwork really comfortable, you'll be able to think about all the other things you need to concentrate on while you're learning to swing dance. So we're going to put some music on. Come and dance with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, one thing that the leads might particularly find a little bit funky with the 6-beat is we typically count our swing music in 2 sets of 4 counts, which we put together to create an 8-count sort of with a bar. But if we're doing 6-beat footwork, then obviously we are going to get a little out of sync. So if you do multiples of 6 that add up to 8, you'll find that you'll get off count, but you'll get back on the count. And so don't panic if it's something you think, oh, hang on, that feels a bit weird. The other thing to bear in mind is some moves take 6 counts, some moves take 8 counts, some moves might take 10 counts. So when you get to a point where you can start to mix up those moves, you can use different moves with different counts to resolve any of those issues where maybe it's not quite fitting on the phrasing of the music as you would like. But that's a more advanced skill. For now, the best thing you can do is to work on getting the footwork really comfortable so that it's second nature, and then that'll make everything else come much easier. All right, thank you very much.